Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to St. Joseph's Academy's online classes. Today, I, your maths teacher, Parul Tomar, will discuss with you comparing numbers of your book Maths Class 1. Comparing number means comparison when we make between any two or more than two things. When we compare two or more than two things, that is called comparison. When we compare numbers, that is called comparing numbers. Whether number is bigger or smaller or equal, all these things we will study in this video. So let's start our class. Now, before starting the exercises of your book, I would like to show you some slides to make you the concept of comparing numbers clear. See the picture carefully. Some numbers are written. 37, 61, 3, and in the opposite direction 80, 8 and 3 are written. And in the middle some signs are there. On the upper one, red one, is written less than. Second one, which is of green color, is written greater than. And third one is written equal to. Now, what does these means? Always remember one thing. Birdie opens its little mouth at the bigger number. If you see these signs, first and second sign carefully, it looks like a little birdie has opened its mouth. So just remember this. Little birdie opens its mouth on the larger number always, towards the larger number always. So now we need to know which one is large and which one is smaller. 37, 80. If I compare these two numbers, which number will be bigger, kids? Yes, 80 will be bigger. That's why the birdie has opened the mouth towards the 80. In the second line, we have numbers 61 and 8. It's very easy. 61 is much bigger than 8. So the little birdie has opened the mouth towards 61. In the third column, we have number 3 and 3. When we compare 3 and 3, we find that both numbers are equal. That's why we put the sign of is equal to near the 3. Now we will go through some more examples. See here carefully. Compare the groups in each row and write the correct sign in the middle. All three signs are there for bigger number, for smaller number and for equal number. So, we will count the pictures. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 pencils. And in the opposite, how many tops are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It means there are equal number of pencils and equal number of tops. So we will put the sign of is equal to in the middle. In the second one, there are 5 cakes. And on another side, there are 6 puddings. So which one is more? 5 or 6? Think? Yes. 6 is more. So, the birdie will open the mouth towards the 6. In the next, there are t-shirts. Purple t-shirts, green t-shirts. We have to count the number which side is having more number of t-shirts. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, 8. And 4, 12 and 4, 16. Purple t-shirts are 16. While the green are 4, 4, 8 and 4, 12. So here the little birdie will open the mouth towards the purple t-shirts because 16 is more than 12. Now how many slices of watermelon are there? These are 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12 and 1, 13 slice of watermelon. And how many bananas? 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3, 12 and 3, 16. Which means bananas are extra than watermelon. Watermelons are 15, bananas are 16. So little birdie will open the mouth towards the bananas. We will go through the explanation given in your book. Before starting the exercises, we will go through these examples. This is comparing numbers. 2 activities are given there. 8 red blocks are equal to 8 blue blocks. We write 8 red blocks, 8 blue blocks. So, what sign we should put? I already told you in the earlier slides. 8 and 8 are equal. Neither one is less nor one is more. So, we will put the sign of is equal to here. In the second picture, 6 beads are more than 4 beads. 6 is greater than 4. Or we can write like 6 sign and 4. What sign is there? The birdie has opened the mouth towards the bigger number. Which one is bigger number? 6. Now in the picture in your right, 12 blocks are less than 16 blocks. So 12 is less than 16. So the birdie will open the mouth towards 16 because 16 is the bigger number. So for a number, smaller numbers come before it. Greater number comes after it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are less than 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So some numbers are written down on the page. 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 9, 12, 10, 14, 12, 12, 21, 16, 38. Between all these numbers, the same thing is that the birdie has opened the mouth towards the bigger number. Wherever the bigger number, the birdie is facing it. Like 38, 21, 14, 12. Only 9 and 9 are having the sign of is equal to because both the numbers are equal. A small exercise is given. We have to put the correct sign. Numbers are already written. We have to put the correct sign. We have to decide whether the sign of smaller number will come or the bigger number will come or the is equal to will come. 9 and 6. In 9 and 6, 9 is the bigger number. So, the sign will face 9. In 7 and 8, 8 is the bigger number. So, birdie has opened the mouth towards 8. 11, 12. Between these two, 12 is the bigger number. So, birdie has opened the mouth towards 12. 4 and 14. 14 is the bigger number. So, the birdie has opened the mouth towards 14. 14, 14, because both are equal, here is equal to sign will come. In F number, 41 and 14, 41 is bigger number, so the sign will face 41. 23 and 27, 27 is bigger number, so the sign will face 27. 41 and 39, 41 is bigger than 39, because 41 comes after 39. So, which number comes after, that is always bigger. So, the birdie has opened the mouth towards 41. 35, 45. 45 comes after 35, right? So, 45 is bigger. 32, 23. 32 is bigger. 7, 27. 27 is bigger. 47, 34. Here 47 is much bigger than 34 because 47 comes after 34. So the birdie has opened the mouth towards the 47. I hope you have understood the concept well. Always keep in mind, if both the numbers are equal, put the is equal sign. If the number is bigger, the birdie will open the mouth towards the bigger number always. Now it's time for homework. You have to do this exercise in your book. You have to revise all the work done in the class today. You have to complete all the exercises in book only. And watch the video again so that if something left or you could not attend the class, you can understand the concept well. So this was the comparison of numbers. Practice it well. Thanks for listening. Take care of yourself. Wash your hands properly. Wear your mask and complete your work daily. We'll meet again in the next video. Till then, bye-bye. Have a nice day.